Welcome to our channel. Today we how to choose insurance coverage for small businesses step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your business's specific needs. Identify the types of risks your business may face. Consider factors such as location, industry, and size. Evaluate any legal requirements for insurance in your area. Research the different types of insurance coverage available. General liability insurance protects against third-party claims. Property insurance covers damage to your business assets. Consider professional liability insurance if you provide services. Workers' compensation is essential if you have employees. Think about cyber liability insurance if you deal with sensitive data. Gather quotes from multiple insurance providers. Understand what coverage options each provider offers. Compare premiums, deductibles, and coverage limits. Look for any exclusions in the policies you are considering. Consult with an insurance broker for expert advice. Ask questions about the coverage details and claims processes. Read customer reviews to gauge provider reliability. Check if the insurance company has a good financial rating. Decide on the coverage limits based on your business size and budget. Consider bundling policies for potential discounts. Finalize your choice of insurance coverage. Review the policy thoroughly before signing. Keep documentation organized and easily accessible. Schedule regular reviews of your coverage as your business grows. Stay informed about changes in regulations that may affect your insurance needs. Remember, choosing the right insurance is crucial for protecting your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.